Make your PowerPoint even more powerful by adding a real whole slide image on which you can zoom in, out, or even rotate. You can achieve this thanks to My Pathomation in combination with a web viewer, a free Microsoft solution that allows you to open web pages from within your presentation. First, you need to check if you have the web viewer already installed. If you don't see the web viewer in your list like I do, you click on Get Add-ins. Look for the web viewer and add it to your add-in repository. Now, you go to your My Pathomation account and look for the slide of interest that you like to talk about during your presentation. Click on the three dots right above the slide and Share Slide. Now, click on Link to create a link to your slide. Copy the link that My Pathomation generated and paste it into the web viewer on your PowerPoint slide. Make sure to erase the HTTPS as it is already there. Now, all you have left to do is click on Preview and you're good to go.